In this video, I'll put you through on how to block someone on YouTube. Maybe the person is leaving negative comments or some annoying comments. Learn how to block that person. First is to tap on your YouTube mobile application. As the app opens, tap on the search icon, which is at the top right. On tapping on the search, type the name of that YouTube channel. You need to know the name of that channel, okay? So here, let's say the name of the channel is Learn with Mike. I will type it in. After typing in the name of the channel, tap on search. This will return some channels with the name, alright? Get to that particular one you want to block. Let's say this particular one, because different channels can have the same name, alright? So, or you can use the handle name, but here we use them, no problem. I'll tap on this. The next step is to tap on the three dots at the top right. Then you will see hide user from my channel. Tap on it. Then tap on hide user. So with this development, he cannot comment on your video or see your channel again. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment. See you some other time.